richer visuals, real motion, built-in sound, deep branding. This is Lumina V4.
Here's something that's bothered physicists for 90 years. How can something be two opposite things at once? Let me show you the famous thought experiment that changed everything, starting with a cat in a box. Inside this sealed box, we've got a cat, a radioactive atom, and a detection system all set up together. If the atom decays, the counter detects it, the hammer triggers, and poison releases. A deadly chain reaction. But here's where it gets weird. The atom doesn't just decay or stay stable, it does both at once. Quantum superposition means particles genuinely exist in multiple states simultaneously. Not because we don't know which, but because both are actually real. Since the atom is in superposition, everything connected to it splits too. The counter, the poison, everything exists in both states. And that means the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. Until someone looks. But how can a cat be both alive and dead? The moment you open the box and observe, the superposition collapses into one definite reality, alive or dead, never both. Now here's a twist about why Schrödinger created this experiment in the first place. Schrödinger actually hated this conclusion. He invented the cat scenario to show how absurd quantum mechanics seemed when applied to everyday objects. Yet despite his skepticism, superposition is absolutely real. We've proven it countless times with electrons, photons, and atoms. So where's the line? Why do particles get to be in superposition, but cats don't? It might depend on size, complexity, or whether consciousness plays a role. We're still figuring it out. Particles follow quantum rules, existing in multiple states and defying our everyday intuition. But cats follow classical rules, where things are definitely in one state or another, matching your normal experience. The quantum world operates by completely different rules than everyday reality, and we still don't fully understand where one ends and the other begins. Nearly 90 years later, physicists still debate whether observation itself creates reality or just reveals it. The cat was never real, but the questions it raises about the nature of reality definitely are. Thanks for wrapping your head around this. I'm still working on it too.